How our cleaning professionals carry out upholstery steam cleaning? Are you looking for perfect steam cleaners in Melbourne for upholstery cleaning? Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is the best name to put money on. Why? Because our upholstery steam cleaners are trained in the best. They will carry out the cleaning in certain definite steps. They will vacuum the upholstery. They will treat the stains and marks. Steam clean the cushions. Steam clean the remaining upholstery. Let the fabric dry up. Vacuum it comprehensively. Thus you see, our upholstery steam cleaning in Melbourne is a systematic process. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.